Are you acting for the camera? Meow. Oh. Meow. Kitty, kitty. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Meow. All right, so we're going to walk through here. You guys saw it before. So there's the shed. We cleaned it up. We made a natural barrier wall here. As you can see, it goes up and over. We're going to plant things there. And then here's our newest bed. And that's going to be food for the goats, because we're going to be planting things in this area. So I just wanted to kind of get in here nice and close so you guys can see there were a lot of dead logs. So this is really going to be some nice area. And then we put some rotted logs in and stuff. And then over here's our volunteer beans. And as you can see, there's some there, and then we have some right by the goat pen.